case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1984, the Oregon Court of Appeals heard a case, Mund v. English, involving a family dispute over the ownership and use of a well located on adjoining properties. The son and daughter-in-law of the defendant claimed they had a permanent and irrevocable interest in the well. However, the defendant argued their rights were conditional. The plaintiffs made valuable improvements to the well while sharing installation and maintenance costs with the defendant, and even constructed a residence on their property based on the assumption of the permanent agreement. The trial court initially ruled in favor of the defendant, but the appellate court reversed the decision on the basis of an irrevocable license, which allows someone to keep using something if they have made important changes or relied on another person's promise for access to it. The appellate court granted the plaintiffs half ownership of the water well and system, with permission to use an easement for access. Both parties were required to share maintenance costs equally, and the defendant couldn't withdraw the license to use the well.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.